The Supreme Court hearing oral arguments today in a case with implications for gay rights and religious freedom.
It involves a wedding website designer who does not want to provide services to LGBTQ couples. WGN's Dana Rebick has more from the newsroom. Dana?
Well, this case is brought by the Alliance Defending Freedom. They, if you remember, a few years back also represented a Colorado baker who refused to design wedding cakes for gay couples. This time, a much more conservative Supreme Court and the issue of public accommodation and free speech at play.
This case is not about the First Amendment. Don't be fooled. This case is about access to services that everybody deserves. This is about fundamental equality.
Protesters gathered in downtown Chicago, speaking out on a U.S. Supreme Court case out of Colorado that could have far-reaching implications across the country.
She does not want to create websites for same-sex marriages. The grounds upon which she has made it to the Supreme Court are along the lines of freedom of speech. You can't force me to accept accommodations in my speech. That's my First Amendment right.
Website designer Lori Smith of 303 Creative LLC objecting to Colorado's public accommodation law banning businesses discriminating against LGBTQ people. The owner saying that state law violates her free speech and religious freedoms.
If you open your doors to the public, you have to accommodate all comers. You can't deny someone access to a product or service based on who they are. We have in Colorado a number of protected classifications, including race, gender identity, sexual orientation, and religion.
Many worried if the 6-3 conservative majority court rules in favor of the website designer, it could allow other businesses to discriminate against customers.
The questions raised by the more liberal justices, like Justice Sotomayor, basically ask, where do you draw this line? What if somebody doesn't want to make a website for an interracial couple? What if somebody doesn't want to make a website for somebody who has disabilities?
They have targeted my family, my kids.
Karina Sack, the owner of Uprising Bakery in Lake in the Hills, a business vandalized over the summer after advertising a drag show dinner event closely following this Supreme Court case.
I would ask them to please not go backwards and continue to move the nation forwards. And think of not just a specific one or two businesses who have very strong beliefs, but the entire nation.
Justice Amy Coney Barrett this morning asked this website designer if she would work with a straight couple, for example, who were marrying after divorcing other people, bringing up her religious beliefs, and she said she would likely not, and that she would work with LGBTQ people designing websites for other purposes, but not for weddings. Now, those who heard these arguments today report the court did seem sympathetic to the web designer. We won't know right away how they rule, though. An opinion might not be made public for several months. Live in the newsroom, Dana Rebick, WGN News.